we'll be starting Calvin cycle or the dark reaction. The dark reaction is also called as the C3 cycle because the first product that is formed in the reaction is a 3-carbon compound, which is also called as the phosphoglycerate. Okay, so इसको पीछे से relate करते हुए dark reaction will be utilizing the products which are formed by the light reaction. So light reaction में जो हुआ था, what were the products that were formed? ATP and NADH. So in this reaction, the C3 cycle, you will be utilizing this ATP and NADH. Okay. So dark reaction starts with first step, that is your carboxylation. So carboxylation basically includes the fixation of carbon dioxide. Okay. So the carbon dioxide is reacted with a 5-carbon compound, which is your ribulose biphosphate, by an enzyme which is called as the Rubisco. Rubisco stands for ribulose biphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. So Rubisco with RUBP and CO2 also using water forms a compound which is a 3-carbon compound called as a phosphoglycerate. Now since it's a 3-carbon compound, 2 molecules of PGA are formed for a balanced reaction. This is the first step, that is your carboxylation. Now the second step is reduction. Otherwise, it can also be called as the glycolytic reversal. Why it is called glycolytic reversal? If you remember glycolysis, so we start with glucose. Glucose is further phosphated and it forms glucose 6-phosphate, then fructose 6-phosphate, fructose 1,6 biphosphate, and then it breaks into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and DHAP. Now these are interconvertible. So glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is further reduced, forms 3-phosphoglyceric acid, 3-phosphoglycerate. So if you match, this is the product which is formed here. So we can say यहाँ से वापस glucose बनना will be your glycolytic reversal. So we have to also utilize the ATP and NADH. So just to note कि ये use कहाँ पे होता है, we have 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Okay, see I have written 2, that means there are 2 molecules, otherwise the phosphate group is present at the 3rd carbon, that's why it is called as a 3-phosphoglycerate. Now this phosphoglycerate combines with a molecule of ATP. Always remember, जहाँ पे भी किसी एंजाइम का नाम काइनेज आता है, that काइनेज रिप्रेजेंट कि वहाँ पे ATP मॉलिक्यूल्स का यूटिलाइजेशन होता है, राइट? तो इस एंजाइम को हमने नाम दिया है, we call it as 3-phosphoglycerate kinase. Now this enzyme mediates the addition of a phosphate group into the phosphoglycerate. Now it was earlier having only 1 phosphate, now it is having 2 phosphate and the name of the compound is 1,3-biphosphoglycerate. Okay, biphosphoglycerate. Now this 1,3-biphosphoglycerate, it combines with a molecule of NADH. See, although reduction is a very complex process, I'm just trying to उसको summarize करेंगे, we'll restrict it up to only 2 points. So ATP का utilization यहाँ हुआ, NADH का utilization यहाँ हुआ. Now you are adding a hydrogen group to a acidic group. So ये reduce होता है and it forms an aldehyde. The name of the aldehyde is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. So if you remember, this is the same product. तो यहाँ जाके जब ये merge होता है, ये entire step reverse होगा. That's why it is glycolytic reversal. Now we can say there are 2 molecules of 3-PGA. So 2 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is formed. Now there will be a separate set of enzymes which will form glucose from this glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. So we can say we have glucose formed in the second step itself. So what is the third step of this dark reaction? उसका क्या significance होता है? The third step is called as a regeneration step. Regeneration of RUBP. So technically, when we write the equation for glucose synthesis, that is photosynthesis, we write 6CO2 plus your H2O and C6H12O6, not balancing the equation. Okay, तो यहाँ पे जो 6 कार्बन आते हैं वो सारे कार्बन CO2 से मिलते हैं. RuBP is not a donor for carbon in the glucose molecule. That means it has to be regenerated again. अब जो regeneration होता है RuBP का, that is again a very complex process. So just to give you an outline of the processes, I said 2 glyceraldehyde 3-phosphates are formed. 1 glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate goes to and forms the glucose. The remaining glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, it is further converted to other molecules like dihydroxyacetone phosphate, DHAP, interconvertible form. Now further you will say there are certain 5 carbon, 7 carbon, 6 carbon sugars involved in this process. You have fructose 1,6-biphosphate, then you have fructose 6-phosphate, and then this fructose is broken into one more sugar जिसको हम erythrose कहते हैं. Erythrose along with this xylulose. Erythrose is further oxidized pseudohaptulose, and xylulose is further converted to ribulose biphosphate. So you can see one molecule of RuBP is generated here only. So ribulose biphosphate, but this is not a true phosphate. इसको हम बोलते हैं it is an epimer. Epimerase बनता है. Now this epimer is further oxidized, and ultimately you will see regeneration से you will get 3 molecules of ribulose biphosphate, ribulose 1,5-biphosphate. तो regeneration का target होता है RuBP को वापस लेके आना, so that it can be again used in carboxylation. जो actual fixation होता है photosynthesis में, that fixation वो सारे कार्बन तुम्हारे CO2 से आते हैं. Rest all the carbon that was donated by RuBP is regenerated. So if I write an equation demonstrating the dark reaction, it will be 6CO2 along with 11H2O, 12 NADPH with 18 ATP forms. The actual formation is of fructose. You will see fructose का formation होता है, but just to simplify the equation, उसको simplify करने के लिए हम glucose assume करते हैं, ठीक है? 12 NADP along with this 6 proton, 18 ATP and 8 inorganic phosphate. This is the complete equation. As I said कि RuBP का regeneration हो जाता है. That means जब एक cycle होती है Calvin cycle, उसमें सिर्फ एक ही CO2 fix होता है. That means मुझे इस cycle को कितनी बार करना होगा? 6 बार. 6 times the cycle goes on to form a 6-carbon sugar that is called as glucose. So this equation represents the complete input and the output of this dark reaction. अगर हम इसको एक reaction या एक ही cycle का बात करें, so in one cycle you fix 1 CO2, you require only 2 NADPH molecules which are formed in the light reaction, and you require 3 ATP for the formation or for the fixation of 1 CO2 molecule. Okay, so this is your C3 cycle or the Calvin cycle.